Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we've got Chapter 10, Social Relationships and Communication. I want to take a pause before we get into the content for this week and bring two additional resources to your attention. One is just a CDC infographic. In fact, here it is on stopping the spread of germs, in particular around the COVID-19 virus. Obviously, this week is unlike anything we've seen before with so many preventative measures coming into play when it comes to athletic events shutting down, churches shutting down, school systems shutting down, even the University of North Carolina system shutting down for an extended amount of time. So just following these steps and using an abundance of common sense will really protect you and the loved ones around you. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. You've all probably seen all of these steps, just maybe you haven't seen it in this particular infographic. So it's a real easy one-pager for us to follow those guidelines, using common sense when it comes to social distancing, and then just general hygiene and preventative measures that we should be following all the time anyways. Another resource I'd like for you to take a look at, though, is taking care of your mental health in the face of uncertainty. Just a couple highlights here. Again, separate yourself from what is in your control and what is not. And these are just general things when we're talking about mental health anyways, regardless of the current outbreak or environment that we're living in. Do what helps you feel a sense of safety. Get outside, get you some of that vitamin D from the sunshine, and avoid, even if you are avoiding crowds. In fact, I've been thinking about activities that I can enjoy with my family. We love kayaking. I could take my son fishing. Just ways where we could do some great bonding and separate ourselves from crowds. Again, just a common sense approach. Challenge yourself to stay in the present, not worrying and assuming and trying to guess and figure out what's happening and what's going to happen. Just living in the now, again, with abundance and common sense measures. And then finally, stay connected and reach out if you need support. As people experience quarantines, even if it's a self-quarantine where you want to socially isolate yourself, stay connected with people. With social media now and the internet, we can be connected. In fact, our online course is a great example of that. We've never met face to face, and yet we stay connected on a weekly basis. Okay, so enough about that for now. Those two resources are part of your checklist, so even though I just showed them to you, make sure you click on it and take a look at it for yourself. Other than that, the week's pretty much business as usual. We've got a intro video that you're watching now, another short little video, 100 dates of summer, Chapter 10 PowerPoint, your lab, your quiz, and then as always, check your checklist to make sure you've got everything completed. We're really getting to the point now where if you're missing any work, it needs to be made up just to make sure you're staying on top of things. I think the class average is still about a 93, so we're killing it as a class. So just keep up the great work and let's finish out the semester on a strong note. As your health teacher, guys, if you have any questions or concerns around COVID-19, I'd be happy to assist you with that. But of course, I'm going to refer to CDC guidelines. They're the experts when it comes to that area. Being a health teacher and have a knowledge of general health certainly is not the same as being a medical professional. And so I'll always refer to those guys. All right, well, guys, have a great week. Stay safe, happy, and healthy. And reach out to me if you need anything. Take care.